Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily make money with Amazon affiliate marketing, how you can easily make money with YouTube without making videos by yourself. And this method is beginner friendly because you don't have to do anything, everything is done for you. And best of all, this method is 100% free, you don't have to invest any money. And also I'm going to give you some really important tips and advices, so make sure to watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let's start. Okay guys, first thing you need to do, you need to go on Amazon and you need to scroll down on the bottom and you need to click here on Become an Affiliate and you need to register for Amazon Affiliate Program. Now next thing you need to do, you need to go on YouTube and you need to register for a free account on YouTube. Now this is one of my YouTube accounts and here you can see in past 28 days I got almost 2,600 views on my videos. Now that is not much, but I actually didn't upload videos on this channel for a while. If I continued uploading videos on this channel, I would be probably getting 30, 40, maybe even 50,000 views per month on this channel. And when I go back on Amazon and when I click here on earnings, you can see my earnings on this Amazon account. Now this is one of my Amazon accounts, and if you are wondering how come you have more Amazon accounts, well actually I have Amazon account on United States, in Canada, in United Kingdom, in Germany, in Australia, in India. And when I choose here YouTube, not all YouTube, and when I choose here past 90 days, so let me just choose for example March 15, click here apply. No, I have to choose for example March 18, give it a few seconds, and here you can see I got 917 clicks from this YouTube channel here to my Amazon account, on this Amazon account, and I made $14 US. Now that is not much, but it is passive income, it is profit because it is free. Like I said, I didn't upload videos on this channel for a while. If I continued uploading videos on this channel, I would be probably getting 30, 40, maybe 50,000 views on my videos, and I would be probably making 200, 300, maybe even 500 US dollars every month totally free. So what you need to do, you actually need to choose your niche. Now usually technology and toys works the best with this method. So what you need to do, you need to go back on Amazon and let's just say that I'm in technology niche and you need to start making videos, compilation videos. So what you can do is, let's just say I will search cell phones, click here on cell phones, and here you can see all kind of cell phones. So what I can do, I can simply, let's just say Samsung Galaxy A13. I will open it in new tab. Okay, so let me just close my account. And here you can see video. These guys already made a video for you, so you don't have to make this video. They already did that for you, and you can. It is allowed, it is by the law, you can actually use this video to promote this cell phone here. That is totally okay, that is fine, you can use it. You cannot use this video to promote some other cell phone, but you can use it to promote this cell phone here. Now usually you can right click here and save a video as. If that doesn't work, no problem, you can simply go and install one of those video downloaders on your Google Chrome or Mozilla, something like this. And here you can see Samsung Galaxy A13, and when I click here, I need to choose use browser and it will download this video here on my desktop. And what you need to do next is, you need to copy this and you need to open your notepad, you need to add that to your notepad and then click here on get link, click here on text. And this is your Amazon affiliate link. Simply copy this and then paste it in your notepad, press enter and close this and go back on Amazon and open one of these. Let's just say for example, okay, ZTE, I will open it in new tab, and when I scroll here there is no video. Sometimes that happens, so let me just choose for example Android 11 to see, okay, again video. So you can download this video as well, and then again just go back here, get your Amazon affiliate link, close this and go back here and find more videos. You can make compilation videos, for example top 5 cell phones for kids, top 5 cell phones for older people. You can for example make a video top 5 baby monitors or something like that. And then you need to make a compilation from all of these videos that you downloaded. So after you download all of these videos and after you get all of your Amazon affiliate links to all of these cell phones, what you need to do, you need to make a compilation of these videos. And for that, you can actually use DaVinci Resolve. Now, in my opinion, this is by far best free video editor. So after you download these videos, all you have to do is just drag those videos here, for example, and then drag this video here on the end. And also, let me just move this, and then drag this video here. And after you add all of these videos to your compilation, you can add 5, 10, 15 videos, doesn't matter. And all you have to do is just click here on File, and then click here Quick Export. And then choose here YouTube, and then click here Export, and you will export that compilation on your desktop. It is that simple. It literally takes just 5 minutes, no more. It is that simple. It is that easy. After you finish that, all you have to do is just go back to your YouTube channel and start uploading these videos every day to your YouTube channel, and trust me, you will start getting views, you will start getting clicks, you will start making sales. It is that simple, it is that easy. Now this is really important tip, so please pay close attention. So for example, let's just see this video here. Best phones for kids in 2020. And when you scroll here you can see Amazon affiliate links. But look at this. Amazon United States, Amazon Canada, Amazon India. So this guy did what I did. He registered on all of these Amazon accounts. Amazon United States, Amazon Canada, Amazon United Kingdom, Germany, India, Australia. And the reason why you need to do that, why you must do that is if, for example, you are selling something on Amazon United States, but someone from United Kingdom come and buy that from your US Amazon affiliate link, you won't earn affiliate commission. And for example, if someone from United States come and buys that product from, for example, Amazon India, your affiliate link, you won't earn affiliate commission. Only if someone from United States click on your Amazon United States affiliate link and buys that product, you will earn affiliate commission. Same goes for United Kingdom, Germany, Australia, India, Canada. That is why you need to register on all of those Amazon websites and add all of those affiliate links. And like I said, you saw it is that easy, it is that simple. You can literally in just 5 minutes create these videos, and you need to upload those videos every day. In the next 3 or 4 months, you will start getting 10, 15, maybe even 30,000 views per month, and you will start making sales. You will start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing. It is that simple. And like I said, you are allowed to use these videos that they made to promote these cell phones, these hoverboards, or whatever you are promoting. You are allowed to do that. So this is how you make money with Amazon affiliate marketing. This is how you make money with YouTube without making videos by yourself. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.